The more you complain, the worse your life gets. Science explains why. Every time you complain, you're not just venting. You're programming your brain to focus on and keep doing what harms you. There's more. The very word complain shows this. Re means repetition, and claim means to ask insistently. In other words, complaining is asking for that thing to repeat itself. And the worst part, your brain actually rewards you for it. When you complain, it releases dopamine, which is the same chemical associated with pleasure. The result? You become addicted to it and stay stuck in the same place. Emotions are addictive. Negative emotions are addictive. Positive emotions are addictive. Complaining may bring relief in the moment, but it holds you back in real life. Want to break out of this cycle? Replace complaining with action. Focus on what you can change, and use your words not to harm yourself, but to build yourself up. What habit are you going to change starting today?